guys, ang aking gagawin guys. Itlog, onion, Ajinomoto. So ito po yung gawa ko guys, Itong ano guys, mga kalodi, ito mga kalodi, no? Wait for a minute mga kalodi, no? Ito harina to mga kalodi, harina. Then ito, puso ng saging na dinurog-durog ko. Imimix yan dyan mga kalodi, no? So itong itlog, ilalagay ko po to dyan. Itong sibuyas. So to be continue tayo mga kalodi. So guys, to be continue guys, no? Ito po yung onion ko, tsaka sibuyas, durog, then paminta, then Ajinomoto, then itlog, then asin. Ayan guys. So i-mix ko na yung asin guys, no? Ay, ano, itlog. Mix itlog. Then after that, shake itlog. Shake. Then harina, flour, pusong saging, like that. Yan. Tortang ano yan guys, no? Tortang puso ng saging. So then after that, onion and garlic. Put also this. Puso ng saging with egg and flour. So we halo-halo and be shake.
Bola lang yan.
Po na guys, no, ganun lang po kasimple magluto ng turtang. So then we have grind bell pepper. So you can do it. Put there. I put the ground pepper, no? Then we mix already.
Nice.
And two sashi. 2 sashi guys. Two sashi only 1 peso. 2 sashi ground pepper. Put this. Put her in the floor. Heart,
Barinig kita sa mukha eh.
puso, garlic, and flour and egg. See, so we have a salt guys, no? Already put the salt, then put the Ajinomoto. Okay, it's already
Oh my God!
all the then I will shaking. So shake lang guys, no? After shake, so already to fry this. Like that guys, no? Shake lang. So that is turtang puso ng saging. You know what is turtang puso ng saging guys? Meaning to say turtang,
oh my God!
banana heart with flour. Puso ng saging, no? Banana heart. O puso ng saging. So mix, already mix. After mixing, it already to fried. Like that guys, no? That is my bayan this evening. Puso ng saging, mga kaludi, puso ng saging. And also flour with ingredient, salt, Ajinomoto, onion, garlic, and bell pepper, ground bell pepper. So after this mixing already, I will get the frying pan and I will fry this. No, that is my bayan.
What? What the?
Mix already. Already mixing. You know that guys, tortang puso ng saging. Already circle, mix, mga kalodi. So like that mga kalodi, no? After mixing already, I will taste that if the salt is okay.
Ugong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Yummy! This is salt and put there. Put here in the mixing of the fried, no? Already mixing, guys, no? Yummy, guys, yummy. I taste small. It's already delicious, yummy. So like that, guys, no? Mix until sticky. Already fried this. Fried puso ng saging. So I will taste, no, small part. I will taste, guys. Yummy. So getting also part of a small salt because it's not maalat, no? So already mixing. Guys, until the puso ng saging is sticky. Then after that, already
Bola lang yan.
a frying pan and I will fry this. Looking look around. Still circle and mixing already until the puso ng saging to become sticky. Sticky, guys. I get this and I will taste small part. Yummy. It's okay, guys.
Oh my God!
Continue, mga kalodi. So already start, guys. No, this is frying pan. We have a fire. So put the oil in the frying pan. Like that, guys. No, kalodi, like that. Oh, still okay. Very mini. So put there the oil to reserve. Then I will preparation the puso ng saging. So I will put this glass cup. This is my limit to control the puso ng saging to fried. Then the oil is wait for a minute to overheat the oil here in the frying pan. So it's control the fire, guys. No, guys, control fire. Yeah, to be continue, mga kalodi. Gagawa po ako ng tortang puso ng saging. Ito, guys, no, tortang puso ng saging. So, ito na po. I'm waiting to overheat the mantika in the frying pan. You know that, guys. I will getting the like this. This is sandok. In the English, what do you mean by sandok? Sandok, guys, no? So the oil is very heat. It's already, guys, to put the frying pan like this, no? I put this, guys. Yan. It's already put the frying pan. That is the name of you know that, guys, tortang puso ng saging. Ayan, guys, no? That's already to fry the tortang puso ng saging. See, okay, guys, no? It's amazing, no? Like that, guys. So control the fire, guys, no? Because the tank is empty. Small in the inside, no? So control the fire. See, it's already, that is my mino, no? Frying puso ng saging. Frying puso ng saging, no? You know, guys, masarap to, guys, no, mga kalodis. Delicious, yummy. Ayan. So tingnan nyo, guys, no, ang aking niloto. So kailangan pa nating papagorin yan, guys, no, para very crispy. Very crispy siya, guys, no. So I get here and put the glass. No, put the glass like that. So like that, no. I get here and put the glass like that. So after a while this cooking, next proceed this, no. You know that.
Oh my God! Wow!
Control the fire, guys, no. Control. So that is may tortang talong, tortang puso ng saging, guys, no, mga kalodi. Tortang puso ng saging, mga kalodi. Ito ng aming ulam, no, bayan for this evening, no. That is my bayan this evening. That is my dinner, no. Bayan is dinner right now, no. Dinner in the, this is my bayan of the dinner in the evening, no. Dinner, no. My that is my menu of puso ng saging. So I will looking this. It's okay. Then I will baliktad, turn around. So you know that. Looking this. Very beautiful, no? Very yummy. It is a crunchy, fried. Yeah, it's already crunchy fried. So we steady or 3 seconds, so 4 seconds. Then after that, turn around to very crunchy. Eating this puso ng saging like that. Oh, guys, no, puso ng saging. So to be continue, guys, no. Ayun na, luto na po ang aking mga kalodi, tortang talong. Ito na po, luto na siya. Ayun, no, tortang talong. Yan, guys, no, mga kalodi, tortang talong, mga kalodi. Kunin ko na, luto na siya. So luto na siya, mga kalodi, oh. Ayan, tortang talong, yummy, delicious. Ano lang magsimple, mga kalodi, no, magluto ng tortang talong. Ayan. So ito yun, oh. Ano ko pa, marami pa. Hindi na ako sa cup, mga kalodi. So ayun ang isa, mga kalodi, nakasalang, no. So ilagay ko na naman tong isa, mga kalodi, no. Para dalawa na siya, mga kalodi.
Oh my God!
Ganun lang kasi magluto ng mga kalodi, no. Tortang talong. Ayan, mga kalodi, oh. Alam niyo naman. So guys, dito na lang magtatapos no ang aking vlog kasi ito na po yung product ko, oh. Ayan na po yung product ko, tortang talong. Ito na po yung tortang, hindi tortang talong, no tortang eggplant. Dito na kalalabas yung product ko, tortang puso ng saging, mga kalodi. So dito na lang po magtatapos ang aking vlog, mga kalodi. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Bye-bye!